Hey guys, so I want to quickly show you how I set up my multicam for long form editing. So first thing first, as you can see here in the video, in the clip, the timeline, you can see I have my footage here already. It's all synced up. Next thing I want to do is convert this timeline to multicam. That's very important. So you want to find this timeline on the media pool right here. You can see it right here. You want to right click and convert to multicam clip. So click that, and next thing I like to do is to create a new timeline for my cuts. And right here, it's the timeline. Next step, you want to find the timeline that you converted to multicam clip, which is right here, and drag that to the new timeline you just created right here. And now we can see right here in the viewer or the source, whatever you see right here. But then we need to be able to see the different angles or the different cameras we want to cut between. So you want to come right down here, you want to click on multicam, and then he shows all the different cameras that you shot with. Obviously, this event was shot with 3 cameras, and that's 3 right here. So you want to go through. Again, you want to make sure this icon, which cuts the video only, is highlighted, not this one. Not this one. This is for audio. This is audio and video. This is video. You want to cut just the video and leave the audio. All right, so we go. Let's make sure this works as it's supposed to be. Matter of fact, let me go to where I can see my 3 cameras. Yes, right here. All right, just play. You cut, and then you cut, and you cut. You cut. You can cut for however long you want to keep cutting, as long as the event is. But yeah, you get the idea. So let's go straight up and look at our timeline cuts and see if we have what we did. And you can see right here, switches to the different cameras. All right, that's how I do it. And I hope this works for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you, and see you on the next one.